In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best treadmill for walking available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Our top option, the NordicTrack Commercial 1750, now comes in a new iteration from NordicTrack. It will soon be put to the test. The current version we advise is still available, but the corporation will eventually phase it out. The upgraded model has a smaller motor than the outgoing model, a 14-inch screen that pivots and tilts, better speakers, and an updated frame design. With a quiet ride, a strong construction, and a wealth of features, the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 treadmill is a reliable option. Up to 12 miles per hour, 15% slope, and -3% descent are all possible. The 1750's 3.75 continuous horsepower engine enables quick changes to those settings, and the control buttons are intuitively laid out. Even at the highest slope and speed, it has a distinctly robust sensation underfoot. One of the broadest belts we've tested, the belt is 22 inches wide and 60 inches long, making it comfortable for even the tallest runners. The 1750 comes with a 10 inches color touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and an extra cost iFit subscription. A Wi-Fi connection is necessary. There is plenty of space for storing other items behind the console, which has 5 compact bins and 2 safe water bottle holders. The 1750 is big, but you can fold it up very easy to save some space while it's not in use. A solid 10-year frame, 2-year parts, and 1-year labor warranty is provided. Horizon focused on features that allow you more choice over your workout rather than tying you into its own training ecosystem. Although the 7.0 its training choices are limited, it is simple to link it to an iPad or Android tablet. This keeps expenses down because there isn't a built-in television, but it also gives you the opportunity to take Peloton lessons or run on Zwift. We prefer the thumb dials located chest high on the hand grips for swiftly adjusting your speed and slope. It feels far more natural than fumbling with buttons on a console. The 7.0 it is remarkably stable, despite the fact that we don't frequently recommend home treadmills that cost less than $1,000 because they typically have small engines and wobbly frames. One of our testers' home is where we installed it, and after several months of use, he discovered that the deck was stable. The belt is smaller and shorter than we would want for jogging, but it is the perfect size for walking. Also, if you're setting it up in a tight space, you'll appreciate the low profile. Although it has a more basic feature set than our other selections, the Soul F80 is a well-made treadmill with a durable frame. It has the same top speed of 12 miles per hour and highest inclination of 15% as our top selection, but it does not decelerate thanks to its 3.5 continuous horsepower motor. The belt is comparable in breadth to our top pick at 22 inches broad and 60 inches long. We enjoyed running on the terrace since it is cozy and responsive. It also boasts easy adjustment buttons on the handrails in addition to on-console controls for speed and slope. Metric information is displayed accurately on the 9 inches LCD. The treadmill features 10 pre-programmed workouts and Bluetooth connectivity. A Wi-Fi connection is not necessary. A location for a gadget is provided by a tablet holder over the console. One of the most difficult to fold and loudest treadmills was the F80. One of the best warranties we've ever seen covers the labor for 2 years and the frame, motor, and deck for a lifetime. The electronics and parts are covered for 5 years. It makes sense that many people are looking for the most inexpensive home gym equipment to furnish their facilities. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill checks a lot of boxes for our team, which can be difficult to find at a walking treadmill under $500 and a good bargain. Who the hell doesn't appreciate free shipping for everyone on Amazon? To start with, this treadmill is not only a fantastic value, but it is delivered right to your door without requiring further payment. Additionally, it can be placed underneath a standing desk for all-day, steady walking. To me, it sounds like getting 2 birds with 1 stone. I also appreciate how entirely foldable this device is. Not everyone has the room for a massive machine that cannot be folded or stored, but that is not the case with the Goplus. On my own, I found folding and storing it to be fairly simple. To move your treadmill to a different location, there are even little wheels. pounds. In terms of drawbacks, I do wish the Goplus could support more weight. The number of people who can buy this walking machine is constrained by its maximum weight capacity of just 265 pounds. Additionally, I do not advise stepping on this treadmill before pressing the start button because the motor seems to struggle a little. The Horizon T101 is a good choice for walkers looking for a high-quality treadmill for only $699. The foldable machine is an all-around machine with a running area of 20 by 55 inches and a user weight capacity of 300 pounds. The device has other comfort features including Bluetooth speakers, an energy-saving mode, a fan, a tablet rack, and a water bottle holder, in addition to an excellent guarantee and compatibility with a wide range of streaming apps and programs. The treadmill features 3 LED windows, 5 pre-programmed modes, and display feedback for calories, distance, heart rate, incline, speed, and time. The 2.5 chp motor that drives a 0-10% slope and speeds up to 10 miles per hour is one of the Horizon T101 standout characteristics. Contact grips can be used to monitor heart rate and send data to a variety of independent workout apps. Because it has Bluetooth capabilities, the treadmill can be used with streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and iFit, as well as apps like Peloton, Studio, and Peloton. The treadmill weighs 180 pounds, can be easily moved about the home gym, and is designed to fold up in storage when not in use. It also has a cushioning mechanism. The machine has a built-in device holder and a USB connector for charging gadgets, and users can rapidly switch between the training routines using one-touch controls. The lifetime warranty on the frame and motor plus the $699 price tag make this treadmill difficult for budget-conscious customers to pass up. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.